What if you never had to leave your IDE or terminal to build your voice AI agents? What if your IDE never hallucinated how to build with Vapi? Well, now we'll know because I just released Vapi CLI. Let me show you how it works. Jumping between your IDE and other windows can be disruptive to your workflow. I had to go to the Vapi dashboard whenever I had to make changes to the assistant. I had to set up an ngrok tunnel whenever I had to test my webhooks. Or I had to constantly look up stuff in the Vapi documentation. Vapi CLI addresses all three of these issues pretty effectively. Let me show you how. Feature number 1, initialize Vapi in any project. Here, I'm looking at my personal blog, a Next.js web app, and let's say I want to drop Vapi in. All I have to do is run Vapi init. It will detect my tech stack. In this case, we're using Next.js. I'm going to, install SDK, generate example code, sure, add hooks and components, yes please, and add example environment variables. It's going to install that and give me some steps to get started. Now, if we take a look at the diff, we'll see that the environment was added, a new dependency installed, and my component and hooks added. Isn't that cool? Just like that, we can just get started with Vapi with one command. Feature number 2, Vapi docs MCP. If you've ever vibe coded before, you might have encountered situations where your agent would hallucinate non-existing SDKs or methods. You will no longer have this problem building with Vapi if you use our MCP server. Let me show you how to set it up. You will just have to run one command. Vapi MCP setup, just like that. I'm going to select cursor and boom, it has set up the necessary changes in my mcp.json file. And if I go to my editor MCP settings, I will see the Vapi tool appeared here with a bunch of functions at my disposal. Isn't that cool? Check it out right now at vapi.ai/CLI. It's time to stop context switching and start shipping.